Alright guys, so in this video it's your daily activities. So the fitness program I was on talks about the 5 things that you had to do every day, and they were considered to be like without fail. So number 1 was 10,000 steps. Then you had to follow your nutrition plan with the calorie deficit. Then there was follow your exercise program, 3 times a week weight training program. Then there was 3 to 4 liters of water you need to drink. And then also 7 to 8 hours sleep if you can get that. So these things were very important for everyone to follow. Now, they call these like 5 must-haves that you must do, kind of 5 non-negotiables, if you like. That's what the term was. And these were built in at the start of my journey. And the reason I look back now and I can understand why. They made us get ripped and lose all the fat, because then that implanted all the habits in that we needed. So by the time we got to our best shape of our life, which for me is like in a couple of weeks time, I should be a bit more ripped than I am. All those habits would have been ingrained in us. So I can understand why they did that. And it's also about making routine and structure in your life every day. So these are really important on your journey. And if you stay consistent with these, you will start building your own systems and your own structure, and you will start following it automatically without even, it'll become second nature. Also, obviously I recommended that book, Atomic Habits, and a lot of the information from the fitness program I was on, having read the book, you can kind of see that it was taken from a lot of these systems, these books as well. Obviously we all help each other out in these books, so it's all recycled, isn't it? But great books, great book to read. If you haven't read it, read it. It's a brilliant book. And also the guy who started RNT Fitness, Akash, there's a book link up, should be up here somewhere. I read that book before I started the transformation, obviously because it's his program. And that book put my mindset in the right place as well. So these 2 books, you know, they're worth a read, great books, so you can check them out. Okay guys, so daily activity, basically what you want to do, you want to do your steps. You want to do your nutrition plan, follow that in a calorie deficit, train 3 times a week, 3 to 4 liters of water, and 7 to 8 hours sleep. Now, I'll go into detail more with the exercise programs and all that later on in the exercise section of the programs. But these are like the 5 things that you must try and structure into your day. And if you create these habits, you're on your way to losing that fat loss and creating those good habits. And also walking is very good in the morning. You know, it circulates the blood in the body and it gets you going and you just feel better. You know, you're more awake. Any exercise in the morning is like that. So that's just to sum up this video, those 5 things, 5 must-haves you must do, or you can do. But I'm just sharing my experience. So those 5 things have worked for me. And I'm pretty sure if you implement them in your lives, they will work for you. So definitely go ahead and try and put those in. Start off a little bit. You don't have to do 10,000 steps straight away. You could do half an hour walk or 10-minute walk. The whole point is you're doing those 10 minutes every day. So every day at a certain time, you know, okay, I got to do this at 10 o'clock. I got to do this. So you're just setting a structure, and you'll notice when you start to take control of your day, you feel more freer, because you've got more structure. It's weird, right? Because you're controlling the day and am I really free? But you are, because you're getting more time to do other stuff because you're organizing your day. So you're organizing what you're going to do this day, and your calendar, you know, when you write things down and you know what you're going to do, then you realize how much time you really do have in the day, because you've got so much free time. You can do this time I'll do this time is, and before you know it, you've got free time. That's what I found. I found that I had actually had more time when I was planning out my work and everything, what I was doing on a daily basis. So check it out, have a go, check it out for yourself, write down all the things you want to do in the day and try and fit those 5 must-haves in there. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video.